This is the Watch 6. It's a revolutionary new do-it-yourself watch which allows you to completely change out the bezel to anything you like. And there's an infinite number of bezels possible for this one. We have 3 that actually come with the watch, or you can change the look altogether by changing the band and the bezel. All kinds of looks possible. So what do we got? We've got a stopwatch watch as well as a sports fitness watch with step count and last night's sleep time. We have a health watch in this as well with heart rate, some sporting activities, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. You also have weather forecasts when tethered to your phone. You can take selfies or other kind of pictures, and we have a player that you can use for playing songs on your phone from your watch. In addition to all of this, you've got your version information, battery level, and of course, notifications pushed to you from your phone to your watch. Really interesting concept. Do it yourself. The Watch 6 with removable bezels and changeable bands. Check it out.